But suppose this answer comes from within. Like suppose I am a 20-year-old person, 20-year-old boy, and I am asking to myself, why is it that I should not experience hashish? Why should it that I should not experience ganja? I'll get a kick of ganja today. So I will have to develop that role of a parent in myself, in my psyche, who would say no. If I say this very bluntly, sharply, and with authenticity, no, from within, if that no comes from within, then I would be definitely controlling my abusing behavior, or my chances, or my vulnerability to pick up something wrong. So to avoid picking up wrong people, one needs a strong parent, not means mother, father, strong parent within, who will guide you. Do this, don't do this. Now, how can you do this? Today only we were discussing about talking with one of my colleagues, and he is he's a teacher in mathematics. Now I told him, see, how can you develop, create, and strengthen your own inner parent role who says you no? You will have to find someone who is in your family, very close to you. Maybe uncle, like mother, father, someone who is very strict and whose role is like a parent role. They are very adamant. They do not discuss anything. They only give orders, don't or do. So you can follow them. You can follow such strict religious people or traditional people, and then you can make them your ideal. So that gradually your parent within will become stronger. If you can strengthen your parent, then you can definitely avoid choosing wrong people accidentally as well. Okay, that's about opportunity and threat. So you can, in case of SWOT, if you understand what is your opportunity and what is your threat. Where is the opportunity? Following the uncle who is very strict is an opportunity. And what is the threat? The substance abusing peer group or colleagues is a threat. So you can develop your own parent role properly. Then one will have to know from a psychologist, or maybe from transaction analysis book, or maybe from if you download Eric Berne's theory of transaction analysis, one can read this online. It can be freely downloaded, and one can definitely empower oneself to understand how the theory works. And once you understand the theory, you can definitely help yourself choose right things and avoid wrong things. Now, there is a last answer about this. I want to say, see, a person who will choose right and will avoid wrong. Who will this person? A person who has very strong values of life with him. Okay, so if you are choosing something wrong, suppose you are trapped with some wrong company, then that indicates your own values of life are not very strong. So you go back to your second standard, to your first standard of moral, the lectures of moral education, and then strengthen your own values of life. So values of life will play a very essential role in enabling you to choose right, maybe automatically, and avoid